This video could save you a lot of pain and money. The Sunbeam Alpine Channel, on television, computer or smartphone. More than 2 years ago we published videos showing how to correctly install alpine soft tops. The same mistakes are being made time after time, including by professional trimmers. The result is soft tops that don't fold away, are cut too short, and leak or get pinched and holed by the locator bars. If someone is fitting a top for you, ensure that they watch the installation videos and fit it correctly. Get an agreement that it will be fitted correctly or replaced before the work is started. If you don't, you could lose hundreds of pounds or find yourself having to take legal action to recover costs. We know owners with tops that won't fold away and others where water flows into the sills when it rains. The key is the B-post side fittings. Soft top material must attach to the drain channel only and must not be secured behind these side trims. Behind the B-post it should look something like this, although we do use more clips than were originally there as standard. The soft top is secured under the metal trim at the back, but just to the drain channels with the clips at the sides. Any rainwater that gets under the side flaps flows into the drain channel and out of the B-post drain hole into the rear wheel arch. When the metal soft top cover panels are up, it will look like this inside. When folded away, it will look like this. The rubber on the side panel sits on top of the metal side support. Note how the soft top material is not secured by the metal side support. The metal strip simply supports the side hood bin and locates the rubber tub seal. On a Series 5, without the metal hood bins, it will look something like this. When the top is up, it should be taut and smooth with few creases. Unfortunately, too many soft top installers get this wrong. Typically, the side trim is screwed over the soft top material, like this. Then, having holed the material, they cut it off too short to attach to the drain channel. This lovely new mohair top won't fold away and will certainly leak when it rains. On this one there doesn't seem to be a side support trim, and the soft top material is just screwed into the body of the car. As a result, it can't fold away. The soft top frame sits up high instead of folding down and away. Rainwater will flow down into the sills rather than the B-post drain. Worst of all, it can't be properly repaired. This is just expensive scrap, and unfortunately this is not a one-off. On this car, having screwed through the brand new soft top and cut it off too short, the trimmer then caught the material in the scissor action of the locator bar and then put a patch over the hole. This top is not secured to the drain channel, but it has not been cut off short or fixed under the side trim. The owner can still attach the material correctly to the drain channel if he chooses to do so. When you look under the side flap, it needs to be taut like this. Guiding rainwater to the drain channel and out of the car. If fitting a new soft top yourself, follow the video. If having a trim shop fitted, ensure that they know about Alpines or have them watch the video. These tops are very different to those on an MG or Triumph, which a trim shop is probably more familiar with. Don't be let down by a poor installation. Thank you to all of the Alpine owners who shared their photos of the incorrect installations that had been done to their cars. These fitting errors are all unnecessary. If you've had this happen, tell us your story in the comments below. You're watching the Sunbeam Alpine Channel from Oily Puddle's Garage, home of the Sunbeam Alpine. Please like our videos and subscribe to our channel. We're here for all things Alpine.